Okay, good. Now we will try to fix this piece. Completely smash the piece come out. First we use like hot glue. Put on the wood that it break. Like put a jigsaw back together. Just to make the glue attach with the wood tighter. Make it easy. Not make more wood. This hot glue so it dry very quick, and then just scrub it, make it smooth. And this is like a small piece, so small piece you can do with this very easy, but for the big piece then you can just grab with your hand to make it tight until the glue is dry, and then you scrub just to make it like attached together. See, at the back's too bad. And this is the front. We already fixed the front a little, but still not perfect. So you still see the back is big wound there that we need to retouch, and I'm gonna use hot glue again. So don't forget this little piece that come out, that you have to put it back there. And I will try. First you put the glue. Okay, and then you try to squeeze it in. I don't think I can fit it in because like I can see it. Oops, it's a little piece like this. It's difficult for me to put it back together to the original what is be like before. So just forget this piece. I think I'm gonna use wood filler here. Wood filler, and if you not have wood filler, you can use wood dust like this, mix with the glue, like a white glue, latex glue, mix with the water, and then it will get similar like this. It can be used instead of wood filler if you not have. Just put it. So like if your furniture or you wanna any kind of wood that have hole, you can fix it like this. So that is done, and have to wait until it dry a little, and it's come out like this. It can hurt you. It's not smooth surface. What you have to do is you use sanding paper. Scrub it. Make it smooth. And here you have to be careful. Don't touch it unless it dies. That it will look like. And that is here still wet. We have to let it dry. This is the front that we still have to fix. So we're gonna fix the front while we wait until that side dry. We use wood filler and fill where it have hole. But you know, like if it's small crack, you can just use the paint, use a glue, and then when the glue dry, then you use paint to paint on top. It will not see. Just glue. Leave it there. So right now I'm gonna touch up with the white paint that we have. We use like interior paint. The white color. And then we make sure this is clean. You can use your cloth or brush. Make sure your surface is really clean without dust, and then you apply the paint. This panel is whitewash color. So whitewash color, we just paint on top of it. Wait until it dry, and then we scrub with the sandpaper. It will get this look. We go into the inside because we still see the crack inside here. So we go inside the hole. So yeah, wait until it dry, and then we see. I will leave it like this for now. Then we'll come back and see it.